Hey guys, it's Mr. Letterrock. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Do you like my snazzy bow tie? I hope so. I'm here in my office today, and we're going to be talking about this wonderful little piece of homework you guys got. I know we did a couple examples in class today, but I wanted to walk you through this very top corner one. So it's right underneath the name. I don't know if this is appearing backwards to you or not, so we'll figure it out. But anyway, we are looking at combining two elements, alright? So right here you can see you got sodium, which is in group 1, and we have sulfur, which is in group 16. We know that sodium is your cation because if it loses that one electron, it becomes more negative. Therefore, it has a charge of -1, which I put right there on your paper. Excuse me, +1. It's a cation, so it loses that electron. It becomes less negative and is now positive. So you have sodium with a charge of +1, and then sulfur is over here. It's in group 16, which means that in order to get to 8 electrons, which is what all of these are trying to do, it needs to gain 2 electrons. Therefore, sodium has a charge of -2. So what that looks like here is you have your sodium and your sulfur, and the sodium is just +1. You can just put the positive sign. And then your sulfur is going to be 2 negative. Alright? So, going from there, we know that we need to crisscross these charges down. So we put this one down here, put that one down there, and we get Na2, and just the S is now by itself. So you got NaS, and then in order to name this properly, instead of saying Na2S, we know that we leave the cation. Just as the name of the metal, which in this case is sodium, and then we add "ide" to the sulfur. So this now becomes, say it with me, sodium sulfide. And that right there is what I would want to see in that first top left box of your homework sheet. So this part right here is what you got to squeeze into that space. So hope that helped you, and I'll see you in class tomorrow. All right.